we'll guide you through how to create a Vercel account. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website by typing vercel.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Start Deploying button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen, and click on it. You'll be prompted to sign up using your preferred method. You can choose to sign up with your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account, which will streamline the process if you're already using one of these platforms. Alternatively, if you don't want to link a repository service, you can sign up using an email address. Let's go through the GitHub option as an example. Click on Continue with GitHub. If you're not already logged into your GitHub account, you'll be prompted to do so. Enter your GitHub credentials and authorize Vercel to access your account. This step is essential as it allows Vercel to deploy your projects directly from your GitHub repositories. After authorization, you'll be redirected back to Vercel, where you can set up your account. Choose a username and fill in any other required fields. You'll also be prompted to select a team plan or continue with a personal account. For most users, starting with a personal account is a great way to explore Vercel's features without any initial costs. Finally, click Create Account to complete the setup. Now you have your Vercel account ready to deploy your projects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.